So, I've always been adventurous around food, especially around meats. I've tried alligator, ostrich, kangaroo, even. And then a friend suggested I try juvenile Wookiee meat. I was a bit skeptical at first, but then I tried it. It was okay, but it was a little chewy. Yes, it's a Star Wars build. Are those fairy lights behind me? Yeah. Yes, they are. I don't want to talk about it. Hello, Talentless Maker here in my ever-evolving makerspace. Yeah, it's a work in progress, including the furry lights. But here we are with another build, and this is Han Solo's DL44 blaster. So, got my bag of parts all ready for cleanup and a test fit, and then we can do some painting and weathering. Exciting stuff. Let's get to it. So that's all the parts prepped, sanded, smoothed, and ready for prime. All ready to go. Left them a little bit rough because I'm going to be doing quite a weathered paint job on it. If you've seen any of my videos, you'll see that's right in my wheelhouse. And it matches the Star Wars aesthetic of a lived-in, used universe. For painting this time around, I'm going to be using these paints, Cobra paints from Al Fresco. They were recommended to me. Just got a set, so I've got primer, black, white, which I won't be using in this build, and some transparent matte primer. All very reasonably priced, I must say, so they passed the first test, and I'm going to try these out. They're not a sponsor yet, but we'll see how they go. Yeah, so let's get priming. Another gun replica. I'm getting pretty good at these now. Obviously an iconic gun. I am going to go through all the iconic guns in science fiction. So I've done Officer K's pistol, I've done the M41A pulse rifle, now Han Solo's blaster. So I'm going to do Deckard's PKD and Love's blaster from Blade Runner 2043. Those are on my slate to do in the future. But yeah, it's another one chalked up. Really happy with it. It's very light. All my other builds were 100% infill. This is 15%, so it's quite light. But yeah, really happy with that. Yeah, I'll do a money shot in a moment. But if you like what you've seen, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and do all those other things that YouTube like us to do. Walk the dog, feed the cat, talk to the parrot. Whatever you do, make sure you're happy. Anyway, see you next time.